Dave, how many you got? Dave. Yeah, right. Look at the peanut butter even gone. Look at this. How many you get? So in today's video, we're gonna set up our DIY rat trap house in a house that we know is vacant and has massive rat infestation. And we're also gonna have a twin challenge. So whichever rat trap hacks we use and whoever catches the most rats wins $1,000. And if you stay to the end, we're gonna show you where we're going to donate that $1,000 to a charity. So let's head over and check out the rat traps. And guys, leave in the comments after you've seen the rat traps. Make sure you comment on which trap you think is going to be the winner. Let's head over there now. All right, first of all, being twins growing up, we were called double trouble all the time. And this is what we call this first trap, the double trouble. So basically what will happen, as you guys know, 1/3 of the rats escape rat traps. So this is how the double trouble trap works. Rat comes in like this. So the kill bar, guys, activates the string like this and then pulls the stick like this. Bam! Allowing the rat to not escape.
And to be honest with you guys, this is gonna be our favorite right here. So I hope.
You know what, David? We're gonna do a coin toss on who gets to choose the first rat trap. How's that?
Which is this one right here. Absolutely, it's only fair.
All right, let's go to the second one.
All right, so rat trap hack number 2. You know, as Jimmy was saying, a lot of rats are getting out of the kill bar zone. So one way is to drive some drywall screws through the bottom of the kill zone area here. So what that's gonna do is, as the rat comes in to get the bait, bam! It's going to prevent him from escaping the kill bar. All right, so in this twin contest here, we each get the Coro trap. This trap right here is amazing because it's not only powerful, but it's just super fast. The other thing about this, you guys, that David didn't mention is the rats, you know, they take a lot of the baits. So this is an upgrade here that we always get with the Coros. It just prevents the rats from coming behind and getting the bait. Yeah, and it does allow the rats to come into the side or the front, which is pretty awesome. All right, guys, so being plumbers, this one here is a cool one. We took a piece of ABS pipe, cut about 3/4 out of the pipe, and we glued it in the kill zone area here. And what this is meant to do is, again, the longer the rat can stay in this kill zone area, the more rats you're going to catch. So as they enter here, they're fighting to get that bait. It's no longer wide open or accessible. So the longer they stay in here, you're going to catch more rats. So I'm excited. In addition though, guys, that this here, rats love to feel secure. So feeding inside of a tunnel like that gives them security. One thing to keep in mind is make sure that the bar here is free of the backside of the pipe here. Good point. All right, so a lot of the comments we get is, what type of rat traps can I use so I don't hurt my cat or my dog? And this is a great hack right here. Take a wooden crate, open up just enough for a rat to get in, and then go ahead and set your rat trap like that. This works great outside, guys. So this here, and then you always want to put something heavy so that way the wind or a big dog doesn't knock it over, but this is pretty awesome. And we all know that these are super popular right now, and that is the bucket dunker. Basically, the rat will come, get the bait, boom. All right, guys, last but not least, it is our little gas bombs. This is baking soda, peanut butter, as well as sugar mixed up here. So as you guys know, rats and mice, they can't burp. So once they eat this up, they're dying. Dave doesn't know it, but I'm gonna try this Loctite PL 3 times stronger adhesive, construction adhesive. I'm gonna create my own glue trap. Put some bait in the middle. I'll bait some right here, so when the rat gets on here, hopefully, probably in about 20 minutes, it's gonna dry a little bit, cure a little bit, and get it a lot more sticky. All right, guys, we're gonna be doing a coin toss now. This coin toss, whoever wins the coin toss, heads or tails, gets first dibs on the first choice of the rat trap. Here we go. Dave, heads or tails? Heads. Heads? Here we go. Toss is on. Heads! Darn it! It's like day one,
Heads,
guys.
yes! And you know what I'm going after? Right here. Yes!
The double trouble. Look at him gleaming. He's so happy, guys. I don't think it's gonna work. What do you think?
This is gonna be awesome.
All right, let's see what Jim's gonna pick here. If it was me, I would pick the bucket one, but I'm gonna do this one.
Okay.
The
okay.
vicious.
Because I'm a master plumber and I have 5 years of more plumbing experience than Jim, I'm taking my pipe dream trap right here. So to compete with David on the double trouble trap, I'm gonna go with the dunker.
Okay, so there's 2 left. Which is David going to choose?
The rule with this one here, as long as I can see some activity on this, that right there is considered a kill. So with that being said, I'm gonna take the gas bombs.
Not my favorite, but I'll make it work. Okay, just heads up. These are the choice of baits that we get to choose from, which is bacon and cheese dog food, or is that cat food? Here's mine, guys, because I am going to have a payday. Nope, I don't think so. We got some cat food, we got some Slim Jim, got some fruit snacks, sunflower seeds, and some peanut butter. So here's my homemade glue trap that David doesn't know that I'm making. I put dog food in the middle, and I also spread it with corn syrup.
Bye-bye. So with this massive rat infestation, we gotta go full PPE.
So this is a very heavy traffic area. That's why I'm setting my trap up below this area. You could see the shelves here. Easy access for them to climb down and then onto the ramp. Bam. And I'm gonna use peanut butter.
Oh, look at that. There's a rat right there. Oh.
So they're actually living right in there, guys. Yes. Excited to see what happens here. Go ahead and use a Slim Jim here. Let's create a real nice aroma with all the oils.
Okay, so I know we still have a lot of activity up in the attic area, and they're still using that back room where we pulled all those rats out of the couch. So I'm gonna set this one back there and see if we can catch one.
Perfect. All right, we got to figure out where to put the rat bomb. I think I'm going to go in behind this couch over here. Along the baseboard. So you know, a lot of times rats and mice, they're always feeling secure. They use their whiskers along the baseboards. So this is a good place for it right here, especially with this couch right here. Gives them a lot of security right behind this dark area here. So I'm feeling pretty lucky. Pipe dreams, I'm saving for the garage. I'm gonna place this one over here, guys. The reason why I'm choosing this spot, look at the activity underneath these couches. Yeah. Now, Mark does have cats and a dog, so that's why this is important to use. Much better position here than Dave's over there. I'll go with the payday. Going inside the garage or in the house? I'm going inside the garage. Here's a nice runway here right by the water heater. See all the activity here? This is a brand new water heater, by the way, guys. All right, guys, big tip here. This is what frustrates us as pest control techs is we're trying to help get rid of rats, but yet there's just food left out like this. This is a big, big no-no. This actually may deter the rats from eating off our rat traps here. So I'm gonna have to let Mark know not to leave food out like this, or take these plates and go discard them and put them in a place where rats can't get to them. But the tip is never ever leave food out in the open. Just to give you a perspective on the entry points, all these right here are holes from the attic that the rats chewed through. They're all over the place. One right here, one right here. So they're coming and going, guys. I'm gonna get a competitive advantage here. I'm gonna take some of this food that the rats are already used to, slide it into the feed plate here and pin it down. Guaranteed to catch a rat. I got the coral trap with some dog bait. Check out this location. Being there's a lot of active rats above Jimmy's, I'm gonna go ahead and set this on that shelf up there, right above Jim's trap. Yeah. All traps are set. Oh guys, on a hot day like this, it really gets nasty in there. I'm so glad we're out of here. So we'll come back in a couple of days and see what we catch. I'm feeling pretty confident about my traps. They're dialed in. It's pretty exciting to see who's gonna catch more rats. All right guys, it's been over 48 hours. We're calling Mark. He sent us a message saying we've got some rats. Hey Mark?
Yes.
Hey bud, it's the twins.
Hey, I think you got a few.
Ooh, here we go. So he said there were traps that were deployed, but he doesn't know which one. No, we didn't tell him what day. Exactly. So let's head over there now, guys. All right, we're about to pull up. Leave in those comments. Who do you think's gonna win? Dave, Big Jim, please, or Jim? Come on, guys. Guys, I've been on a roll. I've been on a roll, guys. Give me some love. Give me some love. Right here. Let's go check out Mark. Dave's so excited. I've never seen him put a Tyvek suit on so fast. So guys, he's got to suit up because his trap is upstairs. And Dave, I have a little surprise for you. What's that? I'll show you. Did you cheat? I did a little cheat, but I don't know if it's gonna work or not. But let's head up there and see. All right, we're both suited up. We each got a bag. Here we go, guys. You don't really need a bag, Dave, because they're gonna be my traps. Well, we'll see. Okay, so this was the peanut butter and baking soda, and it. I don't see any activity, darn it. God, this was a good place too. All right, let's go check one of yours, Jim. Yeah, I set my coral trap here. Nothing. Nothing? Nope. All right, so far we're tied. I think Mark was referring to the back bedroom. Oh, where I set the double trap. What do you guys think? Think we got one? Open it up. Let's go. What? Oh, there's another one right there. Oh, there's another one right there. One just came right out too. Look at that. Bam. Bam. Nice, David. Yes, I knew this was gonna work. I love this one, guys. And look at the door even shut, so the glass moved a little bit. I didn't screw it down. So when you do this, obviously, maybe screw it down in two places, but this is awesome. That's awesome, man. 1-0 right now, guys. Yep. 1-0. Let's head over to, go head over. What about over here? This is my box cage. Yeah, go ahead and check your own trap. Nothing. Okay, so Dave's still in the lead. Got it. Okay. Here we go. So where do we go now? Where do we head to the garage? Remember, I have one over here by the water heater. Okay. Been a few days, guys, so you kind of forget. But we're in place to trap. Oh! Yes, yes, yes! Oh, that was a good one. That's the one with the drywall, guys. The drywall screws. The drywall screws. Go ahead and take the whole thing here. Look at that. Jeez. Bam. He came in from the side. Yep. So what are we? One. We're tied. We're tied. We're tied up. Oh, look at, there's one right there. Right here. Rat crawling. Right there. Look at the shadow. Look at the shadow, guys. Let's check my bucket trap. Oh, here's my coral. Nope. Dave, no. Dave tried to. I set my bucket trap first, guys, and then Dave came in, tried to get a bug in here. One here. Let's check my. Oh! Dave.
How many you got?
Dave.
Yeah, right.
Look at the peanut butter even gone. Look at this.
How many you get?
I got 2. Look at that.
Oh. I got 2, buddy. Oh, no way. Yep.
Why didn't they hit my coral? So that, guys, 3 to 1. Okay, now let's head up here.
Shoot. Hold on, let me check. Let me go.
Dave's all excited. I don't know. Let's see.
Does it count if I shoot one and get one? Oh, yeah.
The pipe one got it?
Oh. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Pipe dreams. Look at that. Perfect shot.
Can I get a bag, Jim?
Sure.
What's this up here? That's my homemade glue trap that I tried to make. Is there any action on it?
No.
So what are we, 3 for 2 now? 3 for 2.
3 for Jim.
And then we have
2 for me, Dave.
This sticky trap here. This is what you try to use?
Yeah.
That's Loctite, David.
Folks, that's
Adhesive, construction
an-
adhesive.
that's an embarrassment to twin home experts right there. Dave has nothing to do with that. So what do we? How many we got? 5 total.
5 rats total.
Jim for the win. It's about time you win something though. Guys, we just realized something. We forgot to pull the safety clip out on the Coro traps. So that's why we didn't catch anything. I feel like an idiot.
Well, still though, I don't see any activity, so
That's true. Yeah, you're right.
I don't see that we would have gotten anything on the corals.
But
I would have
anyways.
loved to see it. But anyways, we just had to share that transparency with you guys. We completely forgot that.
Well, I got to give it up to my brother Jim. He did win by only 1, but he did technically win.
A win is a win here, guys. Hey guys, I'm going to give my $1,000 to a human being that is so angelic. He's part of the YouTube community, and he's got diagnosed with 4-stage cancer all over his chest, and that is Owen with Owen Video. Check out his channel, guys.
Amazing human being.
Yeah,
guys.
he
And
is
he's really doing an amazing job fighting the cancer.
Yep.
He's got an organization that is really helping, offering contribution for people with cancer to fight it, and he's actually beating it. So we're so proud of you, Owen, and you're just such an amazing human being. So
Yep.
no better person to give this $1,000 winning to.
Hey guys, leave your comments down below. Love to hear what you'd have to say about the trap hacks.
And if you use these techniques, let us know in the comments on what worked for you.
Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.